So this is a video just to show you how the oil goes in this machine. The dipstick's just located at the back of the engine here. This particular model is the FM8DD, and this takes 600 ml of oil. 10W30 is recommended to go in this at 600 ml. So this machine, with it being so light, it's easy to put in a position where you can prop it up against something. Road cone there, propped up on, and I'll just fill it from the back here. At the other side of the engine there's another plug, the oil, and then into your engine. And that's the clean way of doing it. So what I do find is other ways you just end up with oil. The majority of it doesn't go in. And it's a very awkward hole size. I've got a funnel, but it doesn't fit in the hole. Put the oil cap back on the back. That's that back on. This is going to be the first start up of the machine. I'll just put some petrol in it. Spilling more petrol than I'm putting in it. This is going to be the first start up. You got to do starting the engine. So look, so turn the fuel on. Make sure the machine is turned on the switch. Put the choke on, and then the throttle. Put that to about a quarter. So first thing, just get some oil around the piston, just by pulling it a couple of times. That way. It started so easy. Very surprised how easy it started.